Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. I'm getting these questions frequently. Do you have this skill development workshop coming up, which is related to Power BI, analytics, and stuff? Anything from which we ACCA, CMAUS, chartered accountants, or people coming from accounting and finance background who have just completed their BCom, BBA, want to get a better job, wants improvement in their particular career. Is there a particular workshop for it, or is there a particular course designed for it? Well, yes, we have business analytics with generative AI. Yes, you heard it right, business analytics with generative AI. So we'll be teaching you, training you, okay, hands on training you. We have our space here at the office, which is located in Hyderabad, Amirpet. The classes will be offline and the timings are 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. offline. So offline there are limited seats. Only 15 people can join in offline and rest can join in online, but that also will be limited to. Now, what you will be learning in this? You will be learning Power BI, Python, SQL, Advanced Excel, Tableau. These are the five technical skills which you will be learning. Business intelligence and those coding languages which you will be learning. Also understand this, you do not need to have any prior coding experience. You come in as a fresher, no problem, you can complete this particular program. In addition to that, we will be doing generative AI as well. How you should be using prompts for betterment of your particular business processes or your job process, whatever job you're doing, how can you become more efficient in it? We will be doing it through generative AI as well. Now, when we've done with all this, it's not the end. What we'll be doing is adding on a bonus for you, and this bonus is your optimization of LinkedIn profile or optimization of your job profile so that you can go out there and post your profile, place yourself as a particular person who is going to provide this service or who has just recently added on with this particular skills. Show that to your employer that you're good at it, because we'll be having really good live examples in it, live case studies in it. So when you solve it and when you go for a job interview, you can talk about those live projects which you've worked on, and on listening to that you might get a much better job ahead or much better improvement in the career. So I look forward for you all who wants to join into this particular program. The details, the link to register for this particular workshop, I'm going to put it down below. This is a 2-month workshop. It's going to be regular 2-month workshop. It's not partnered with a college or something like that. It's a clearly skill development workshop targeted to enhance your skill, targeted to make you independent. If you want to be independent, if you want to future proof your career in the field of accounting and finance, then this is something which you need to add on, and you need to keep on adding on all the trending skills required. Okay, so I look forward to see you all. I'm putting down the link to register. This is going to be an offline thing. You can come down here and complete it. Okay, so looking forward to see you all. Register through the link below so that you can get any further details like the dates and announcements, the fee structure as such. You can come down, visit us, talk to us, and register for that as well. So thank you very much for watching. I look forward to meeting you all.